it seems that Ghana a country yet me go about 4 months without a scandalous news. Debut a band saying na energy minister it me be say containers maku apem ahamiensa aminka ne twi ne munyedu apem ahamiensa 1300 IRF reports I belong to ECG mentiasi like how then a containers 1300 to me. You see yet the country excavators one of the slowest cars nipa kura to me nante faster than excavators. It me you're free scene. Baby idea kugu it me ira. Agura 8 years a chum. Ye who excavators ni. Yam gotin ya containers are nobody a ties in bunny as in bunny a tree. Maku manko a pim any a hamiansa et my yara. Like how? How? Means what? How can you tell me this story? Can't you be? Should I say loot? Say we loot and share. Say share and loot too. Say sell and I mean kikambum sa. It's so interesting. Now say I say I mean doom son started by and yes say. Nancy, I think that about a week ago, you do me light for 24 hours. It was even more than 24 hours. You do me light in 7 a.m. I'm better my day. I go school. Yes, on the next day, 10 a.m. So it is even more than 24 hours. Now you go find your mambra na MMA light in your stable. Ultimately, be catch as containers. Maku 1003. Ayra. Debut. Na me peg say gumi dem. Say me pegs and kwa maku 1003. I need to me either free for simple buy a pegs and a spoon. Say me spoons maku 1003. There's nowhere in a bit my ira. Especially in a ira to go. It doesn't make any sense. How can you tell us this story? ECG, any energy minister, nay, whoever, and I'm go funds are done in the politics, and the MPP in a crown near mano, yeah, and I been there, and this basso, and a container started flying. Say, says a Ghana, the SMC, we want, I mean, our political party to look good. There was some that is our interest. Semi-political party, as me obey any woman a yea, and no one again in needing. Not the issue at hand. Now, after your markings, I can want some more parliament. Now, as I'm not kind of aiming the power. Because meno, my tete me port or me in Tubi, and a portons, and mention that I'm going to near my display, and you a cranium maybe. But what I've heard, and they say, these people intentionally, Wakoto had the free port crowd, they ban. Port for need to me shed da my duty near boom said the way on to me. Or we are no more washing no more far. So it is something similar that happened to this 1300. A pim a hamian san containers. Container bako is a trailer as one. So when it in there, no one some the air can do. And do there, you go to the markings.
The bureaucracy at our ports. They say the containers are missing. Mr. Speaker, it is true that when these containers come, there is some connivance with some customs officials, and they sell these containers, these cables that ECG needs after the supplier has been paid. They sell the container, and then people resell back to ECG.
So this is African words. Or say containers na ba wie no anase niema na ba wie no e ya ban de ane de we I'm not sure say ECG nko go any government staff bia ye kraba bia no itmira enti no aya ne say ade na yira nenso ne aton amangofo bi na the same ECG na asa akutwa no wakwakoto enti we no it means technically say obi wo ECG m we are aware of this customs for omunim to mo shada ayira nioma no masa enioma na copy baby after say Ghana ban etuaka and I see etua ba akama supplier no masa akọ nipa kora ade ne yira kodi no ho no asan akọ akoto bi na bibini otene you see a young gofo bi kan madam for be a friend Foster and any madam keke he is a mate right from basic school also on bibini bi en ho be ko heaven and it seems that every day I get something to believe that it is true. Like, why are we like this?
Are we pretending we don't know? Instead of us to pay attention and kill the rots, then we come here, then MPP, NDC. So now they say, oh, maybe it's happening on the MPP, it's happening on the NDC. No. An honorable minister.
And this is the same thing I was saying. Asemsia. Ena yepe obi di ahye no party bi di ahye no ena eniema no sisia na NDC for ba enti ye kra na MPP time na yirai nsemunu say ya o na omo wi aniema no omafa free we ye beka ni say ya mutu na akoda obi anka ho asem bi mu na containers mako 1003 na ba kokora container ba ko nyoma wonu nim nebo enti ya ECG for nyoma na Iran Electricity Company of Ghana nyoma na Iran obi nipa da sani besa de nyoma na bre ECG for se me wo nyoma we meton ECG for nya research bia no mato so clearly obi wo ECG ma o ya aware of this ono a na besa de nyoma na bre ECG for se monto no mato no wa ECG tam owia no about the catcher and say if any say or who plate him 5,000 no di and I me I mean me de takraba kope se hunu sa and I'm just started poultry farm and my sa Ghana de ebe na it seems here be 6,000 years. Satan na Yesu aba. Just a yana de